Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso.com, and we're continuing our video series about Baja Design's LED lighting kits for the 2019 and up Mercedes Sprinter vans from the 1500 to the 3500. Now, we made separate videos about the A-pillar kits and the fog light kits. Those are awesome. We'll put links to those in the description, but in this video, very short one, we're just going to be talking about their S1 reverse kit. And we really like this kit because you're always looking for ways to light up the scene around a Mercedes Sprinter build. And this is going to help put a couple of S1s at the rear of the vehicle. And it's very simple. It comes with this bracket that is going to mount right on the reverse camera housing very, very easily. It has all the wiring harnesses that you're going to need to run it anywhere in the vehicle. And of course, everybody wires in their Sprinters differently, and so it's going to come with anything you might need. We're not even going to touch on that necessarily in the installation guide video, but we are going to show you a nice clean way to get the wires from the lights inside the vehicle to give you the most clean installation possible. And of course, it includes the other mounting brackets you need to mount your S1 pods. And of course, these are the star of the show. Now, the S1s are little 2x2 lights, 2 inches by 2 inches, but they pack a serious punch. Each of these lights puts off 2,300 lumens for a total of 4,600 lumens coming off of 2 little lights. It's pretty awesome. And what we really like about how they've set this kit up is it comes with their work scene lenses. So a lot of the S1s are going to come with like a spot lens that's going to send the light far up the trail, or their diffused wide cornering lens, which are going to spread it around. Well, the work scene lens is really perfect for the way people are going to use this on a Sprinter van, because you might need to light up the back of the van for any kind of camp setup you might have going on. And this is going to really spread the light wide and far, and it makes it nice and soft so it's not harsh. So they've really set this up for the way that you're going to use it in your Sprinter. So it's a very, very easy installation, just depending on how you decide to tackle the wiring. We're going to put a quick installation guide video together, and we'll link to that right here. And of course, this kit is going to be available for sale on Motoroso.com. And if you found this video helpful at all, support this business and what we're doing here by shopping with us. We'll put a link to the kit right here as well. Now, if you want to check out that A-pillar video I was talking about, now that's really going to throw off some serious lighting. We got a video about that here, and it comes in a variety of different options for whatever your needs might be. And check out the rest of our videos on Motoroso.com. Thanks for watching.